Hello everyone, today we are going to install Parrot OS in VMware. Open your browser and search for Parrot OS. Click on the first link, click here. Here you can see there are different type of VMs that you can see Parrot OS. I'm going to go with home. Click on here, select ISO image. It will start. After that, click on VMware, select this one, click here and it will automatically start downloading. It is a pro version. You need a license key to install this VMware. The license will it cost you $200. I have uploaded a video which shows you how to install Kali Linux in VMware. There I have shared a way to get a free license key. Make sure to check that. I'm going to repeat again. Install Kali Linux in VMware. It is the video that I have shown you how to get a free license key. And our first rule is check the integrity of the downloaded file. It is different from Kali Linux, so I'm going to upload a new video on how to check integrity in a Parrot OS. Let's open our VMware. Here click on create a new virtual machine, then select our ISO image, browse this one, Parrot home, open, click on next, select other Linux, then Linux, click on next. Then here I'm gonna go with Parrot home because it is a home edition. Select the place where you need to save. Here you can say Parrot OS VM. Click on next. Another path. I think it's asking for another path. Let's create a new folder here which says Parrot OS home, then VM. It is a long name, I know. Click on next. Here try to give a 20 GB of RAM of memory. It is a lightweight, so it will work. Customize our hardware. It requires minimum of 4 GB of RAM to run. Let's give it a 4 GB. Then 2 processor, okay. Sound cards present, select this one and select 3.1. Click on close, then finish. Here you can see our Parrot OS has been installed. You can say created, play with virtual machine, open and click on enter. It will open our Parrot ISO in this virtual machine. Let's wait, make it a full screen. Then here select install Parrot. Then here let's go full screen. Click on next. I'm just going with the default one. If you want, you can change your settings, or you can say as you need. Click on here, erase disk, click on next. Here you need to provide a username and password. Let's go with this username, password, select a complicated one. Let's go with re-enter the password, click on next. Here click on install now. The installation may take 7 to 10 minutes. I'm going to pause the video right now, and after the installation I will meet you guys. Here you can see our Parrot OS has been installed. Let's click on done. It will restart our VMware. After that we can use our Parrot OS. Here you can see automatically it will start in 1 second. It been started. For me it took maximum of 15 minutes, 15 to 20, 10 minutes to install Parrot OS in VMware. It's very quick when compared with Oracle, but Oracle is the best. Come on, it's asking for my password. Let's give it our password. Click on enter. It will start our Parrot OS. Here you can see this is our Parrot OS. This is our applications. I told you it's a lightweight, right? It doesn't give you a lot of tools, pre-installed tools. You need to install them yourself. We can use terminal, we can use everything here. You can see here, right? It's lightweight, so it works very quickly when compared to others. If you think this video is helpful for you, then like the video and subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in another video. Until then, bye.